Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me ZTE Blade A32, and now I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. To do it, first you need to open settings and find here storage. As you can see, I have used only 22%, but you need to remember one rule: never fill up your internal storage over the 70% full, because when you will fill up over the 70%, your device will start to slowing down. So I suggest you not to fill it up over 70%. Cool. The second aspect is the RAM. So here have small RAM mount. So from time to time you need to click on the square button and click on the cross to clean your memory. Because all processors are running at the moment, they are running in RAM, and very good idea to clean it from time to time. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.